This video is from Success Convent, Melachevil, Tirunelveli, Tamil Nadu. Today I am going to take a book back exercise for grade 3. Subject Science, lesson number 2, page number 58. Name of the lesson is Plants World. You can take page number 58. Tick the correct options. Tick the correct options. Number 1, big and strong plants are called A. Trees, B. Herbs, C. Shrubs. So, big and strong plants are called trees. So, answer is trees. You have to tick the right answer on the bracket. Big, B-I-G, big, and A-N-D, and strong, S-T-R-O-N-G, strong, plants, P-L-A-N-T-S, plants, R-A-R-E-R, called, C-A-L-L-E-D, called. A. Trees, T-R-E-E-S, trees. B. Herbs, H-E-R-B-S, herbs. C. Shrubs, S-H-R-U-B-S, shrubs. Trees is the right answer. Number 2, the flowers wither and change into A. Leaves, B. Seeds, C. Fruits. So, the flower wither and change into fruits. Fruits is the right answer. You have to tick on the bracket. The, T-H-E, the flowers, F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers, wither, W-I-T-H-E-R, wither, and A-N-D, and change, C-H-A-N-G, change, into, I-N-T-O, into. A. Leaves, L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. B. Seeds, S-E-E-D-S, seeds. C. Fruits, F-R-U-I-T-S, fruits. Fruits is the right one. Number 3. Tiny seeds, leaves inside the seed are called. Tiny seeds, leaves inside the seed are called A. Cotyledons, B. Baby shoot, C. Baby root. So, which is the right answer? Cotyledons is the right answer. Tiny seeds, leaves inside the seed are called cotyledons. Tiny, T-I-N-Y, tiny. Seeds, S-E-E-D-S, seeds. Leaves, L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. Inside, I-N-S-I-D-E, inside. The, T-H-E, the. Seed, S-E-E-D, seed. R-A-R-E-R, called, C-A-L-L-E-D, called. A. Cotyledons, C-O-T-Y-L-E-D-O-N-S, cotyledons. B. Baby shoot, B-A-B-Y, baby, shoot, S-H-O-O-T, shoot. C. Baby root, B-A-B-Y, baby, root, R-O-O-T, root. So, cotyledons is the right answer. D column. Write T for true and F for false. True or false? Okay, number 1, rice, mint and tomato are herbs. Is it true? True only. Rice, mint and tomato are called herbs only. True. T. You should write T here. All fruits contains only one seed. So, all fruits contains only one seed? No. So, different kind of fruits has many seeds. If one fruit has one seed and one fruit has so many seeds. So, false. Cardamom seeds are used as a spice. Cardamom seeds are used as a spice. So, is it true only? T. Rice, R-I-C, rice, comma, mint, M-I-N-T, mint, and A-N-D, and tomato, T-O-M-A-T-O, tomato, R-A-R-E-R, herbs, H-E-R-B-S, herbs. True. T. Number 2. All, A-L-L, all fruits, F-R-U-I-T-S, fruits contains, C-O-N-T-A-I-N-S, contains only, O-N-L-Y, only, one, O-N-E, one, seed, S-E-E-D, seed. False. Cardamom, C-A-R-D-A-M-O-N, cardamom, seeds, S-E-E-D-S, seeds, R-A-R-E-R, used, U-S-E-D, used, as a spice, S-P-I-C-E, spice. True. Next, E column, fill in the blanks. They are given the options here, you have to correct the answer. Number 1, dash or small bushy plants. Dash or small bushy plants. They are given the options here. You can see in the bracket, herbs/shrubs. So which is the right one? Shrubs is the right one, sir. Shrubs are small bushy plants. Shrubs are small bushy plants. So shrubs you have to tick and write the answer on the dash. Shrubs, S-H-R-U-B-S, shrubs, R-A-R-E-R, small, S-M-A-L-L, small, bushy, B-U-S-H-Y, bushy, plants, P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. Next, number 2. Most plants grow from dash. Most plants grow from dash. Option, fruits/seeds. So which is the right one? Most plants grow from seed. Okay, seeds is the right answer. Most, M-O-S-T, most, plants, P-L-A-N-T-S, plants, grow, G-R-O-W, grow, from, F-R-O-M, from, seeds, S-E-E-D-S, seeds. Next, third, the seed observes dash through the hole. The seed observes dash through the hole. What does this observe? The option they are given, water/food. So the seeds observe water through the hole. The seeds observe water through the hole. Water is the right answer. The, T-H-E, the seed, S-E-E-D, seed, observes, A-B-S-O-R-B-S, observes water, W-A-T-E-R, water, through, T-H-R-O-U-G-H, through, the, T-H-E, the hole, H-O-L-E, hole. So water is the right one. You have to write the answer there. Tick it and write the answer. Number 4. A rice seed has dash cotyledons. A rice seed has dash cotyledons. Options 2 or 1. So how many seed it has? A rice seed has only 1 cotyledons. Only 1. 1. O-N-E, 1. A rice, R-I-C, rice, seed, S-E-E-D, seed, has, H-A-S, has, 1, O-N-E, 1, cotyledons, C-O-T-Y-L-E-D-O-N-S, cotyledons. So 1 is the right answer. Okay, today's homework, this page number 58. This fill in the blanks, true or false. This tick the correct answer. You should write neatly 1 time and reading 2 times. Thank you.